wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best ironing board covers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Homemade Scorch Resistant sits at the intersection of quality and value pricing. It's designed for standard-sized boards and is secured with a stretch cord that minimizes slips and wrinkles. It's about everything you need and nothing you don't. Dual straps underneath secure it, and the elastic helps with a snug fit. However, the nose pocket is very narrow. At number 9, if you're looking for a decorative option, the Laundry Solutions Poppy features a pretty floral pattern, plus a 4-layer construction that makes it thick and durable. The 2-inch elasticized overhang allows it to accommodate a thicker board. 2 fasteners hold it in place, and it's easy to wipe clean, but it's a bit overpriced. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Encasa Homes Replacement is made with a quality cotton fabric and comes covered in delicate daisies to brighten up your laundry room. There isn't a lot of padding, but if you like the print, you could put it over your existing cover to increase its thickness. It comes in a large or wide size and allows your iron to glide smoothly. However, the drawstrings are hard to pull tight. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ironing board covers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Whitmor Deluxe is a basic budget-friendly choice that combines a 100% cotton shell with a sewn-in pad for light protection. A stretch cord makes it quick to put on and ensures a snug tailored fit on standard boards. It sports an attractive medallion pattern, but note that the color is more beige than gray, and it fits so snugly the edges may wrinkle. Moving up our list to number 6. The Epica silicone uses a specially designed surface to reflect heat for an efficient release of wrinkles. This means faster ironing and more time spent with family and friends. Hook and loop straps make sure the fit is tight and that it won't slip. This one's oversized to fit large boards, and the padding will not bunch or shift. However, there's no drawstring to customize the fit. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you seek an unusual design but don't want to compromise on functionality, then the Vieve Cities collection is a good choice. With beautiful printed images of Paris, New York, and London to choose from, you won't want to hide this cover away in your closet. There are 4 sizes to ensure an excellent fit, and they're heat reflective for better results. But the foam padding is a little thin. At number 4, the Household Essentials Basic includes an attached pocket that's perfect for storing accessories like spray bottles or starch. It arrives tucked inside the pocket, reducing the amount of packaging needed, but it's not for everyone, as some think the pocket gets in their way. It's equipped with hook and loop straps that hold it tight and is treated to repel stains and water. However, the shiny finish is not very stylish. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the balffor 3-in-1 bundle boasts several extras, including elastic fasteners to customize the fit and a large protective mesh cloth to prevent marks and scorches when working with delicates. The cover itself comes in several modern prints and solid colors. It includes a tailored nose pocket and is available in 2 sizes. It can be machine washed on gentle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ironing board covers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Easy Iron Premium comes in some fun and rather loud patterns, but you can also get it in beige. The bungee drawstring makes installation quick and the fit secure, plus the extra thick padding holds in heat, reducing the amount of time spent on this laborious chore. It shouldn't slip and molds to the shape of your board. It fits boards up to 54 inches. And taking the top spot on our list, the Gorilla Grip Reflective has a silicone-coated surface that holds the heat so efficiently it's like having an iron on both sides of the fabric. Additionally, it resists scorching and feels very smooth, so you can glide right over your clothing easily. There are 4 color choices, and the thick padding is evenly distributed. It's backed by an impressive 10-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ironing board covers, or simply click beneath this video.